Welcome to the installation guide for the KS142 lavatory faucet. Today, we'll walk you through the process of installing this stylish faucet. Before we get started, let's gather the tools and materials you'll need. A basin wrench, adjustable wrench, silicone-based caulking, and Teflon tape. Next, make sure to flush both supply lines to clear any debris. Once flushed, shut off both supply lines. Now that we have everything ready, let's begin the installation process. Start by removing the mounting hardware from the spout. Next, apply a small bead of silicone caulking around the center hole on top of the sink. Remember, do not use plumber's putty as it may damage the finish and void the warranty. Now, carefully insert the spout through the center hole from the top of the sink. Slip the spout mounting hardware back onto the spout and hand tighten the lock nut. Now, tighten the brass lock nut with basin wrench. Insert stem assembly through the side hole from below. While holding from under the sink, thread the base flange onto the cartridge. Install the escutcheon. Next, the handle. And secure them with the set screw. Apply Teflon tape on the spout shank, inlets, and outlets ports of the stem assembly. Insert the T-connector washer. Now, attach the flex line to the spout T, following with the outlet port of the stem assembly. Be sure to loop the flex line and use caution not to over-tighten. Thread the supply lines onto the inlet port of the stem assembly. Tighten with a basin wrench. Lastly, to install the spring-activated pop-up drain, remove the tailpiece and lock nut, as well as the washers. From above the sink, apply a generous bead of silicone under the drain flange. Insert it onto the drain hole in the sink. From below, insert the rubber gasket. Add Teflon tape to the tailpiece and thread it onto the drain body. Secure everything with the lock nuts. Tighten the lock nut with a basin wrench. Before we finish, it's essential to turn on the water supply and check for any leaks. That's it. You've completed the installation. Enjoy your new faucet and the delightful experiences it will bring. Thank you for choosing our product and trusting us with your installation.